Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Jio Fiber plan and KYC so activation isn't delayed. Register your account, keep payment and ID handy, and note the router MAC and activation code. Place the router where the main fiber entry is accessible and free from 2 or more walls or heavy interference. This helps Wi-Fi reach all rooms. Once done, schedule the technician visit and enable notifications. Make sure you can receive OTPs and calls on the registered number during installation. During installation, watch the technician verify the ONT, fiber patch, and RJ45 cable. This ensures the physical link is sound. Connect the Jio router to the ONT, power it on, and copy the default SSID and password before changing them. Next, access the router at 192, 168, 29, 1 or open the Jio Home app to configure Wi-Fi settings, guest network, and admin PIN. These steps protect your network and prioritize devices. Make sure to finish by running wired and Wi-Fi speed tests to confirm you get the promised Mbps. Wired tests show true line performance. Enable firmware auto updates, set parental controls if needed, and configure Co-S to prioritize streaming or gaming. If you face no internet, first check fiber and PON lights on the ONT, then power cycle ONT and router. If issues persist, note error LEDs, collect account and MAC details, and contact support, providing those speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.